everybody, welcome to Tom and Lori RV Life. This is just a little quick special session of us talking about full-time RV lifestyle, vacation versus daily real life.
What's really the difference? There's a big difference between the two of them, a huge difference.
Everybody assumes that because you live in a recreational vehicle full-time that you're always on vacation.
That's not true.
Nope.
It's not even close to being true.
Nope.
And, you know, a lot of the questions we get, one sticks out every single time. What do you guys eat?
Yeah, what do you eat?
We've
been asked that lots of times, and I always get puzzled by that question. What do you eat?
They think we're camping and we're on vacation. And if we were camping, yeah, maybe we would have hot dogs and hamburgers every night and roast marshmallows over an open fire. And if we were on vacation, maybe we would go out to eat every night at a different steakhouse, or try this hamburger place, or try that Chinese food place, or this buffet. We don't do that. We eat in.
I think maybe people that don't have an RV or have never spent a long time in one when they weren't camping, well, of course most people do use it for recreation, but they take minimal things. They don't have all their pots and pans, they don't have all their dishes, they don't have all their utensils, so they figure that they're limited to what they can make. This is my home, so I have all my pots and pans and utensils and everything that I need to make anything I need to or I want to. So, because, you know, it's our home. So just like in a sticks and bricks home, I have basically everything. I mean, we cut our pots and pans down quite a bit, but I have what I need on my for a daily basis for regular meals.
So we eat just like you would in a sticks and bricks house.
Yep.
You know, that's just the way
I use
that we
my
do
oven
it.
too. I know that that's another big controversial subject. Whether people use their gas ovens in their RVs, and I've used mine just fine, from baking turkeys to cookies and cakes and breads, and never had a problem.
Next thing on the list is sightseeing and attractions.
Yep, because we're not on vacation, we can't always spend the time or the money to go see every attraction that's in the area. Good example is the Palm Springs area.
When we go to Palm Springs in the wintertime, we plop down and we do our normal daily RV life and lifestyle. We both still work, so we're working. We have certain days of the week, certain hours of the week that we're working, and outside of that, we kind of turn into couch potatoes, even though we don't have a couch. You know, we watch TV and we watch Netflix and we watch Amazon Prime.
And YouTube a lot.
And YouTube a lot. Of course, YouTube a lot.
But we're not always going to a certain place for all the attractions because we're not on vacation. Our very first year, we did that. We went
constantly.
It was like a vacation. Tom had worked for 45 years and never really had a big vacation except for our trip to Fiji.
Yeah.
And other than that, you know, it'd be a day here, a weekend here or there, but not a full-fledged vacation. So we did treat our first year a lot like vacation, going and visiting family and friends in the Grand Canyon and St. Louis Arch and the Cardinals baseball and spring training baseball. And
I mean, we did all kinds of things, and then at the end of that year, when we were finished with our tour around mid-America and then back out west, and I figured out the budget, I looked at her and went,
we can't do this.
We can't do this every year. That's a lot of money.
And not that we really planned on it. It was just we wanted to get all those things taken care of our first year, you know, because you hadn't seen family or friends in so long.
And it was nice to do that and get out there and see everyone. But now we've kind of settled down to where it is a normal life for us, just as if we were in a sticks and bricks. We get up in the morning, we have our coffee, we play on the computers, on our phones, then we go to work. Even though it's inside, we go to work, and then we watch TV in the evenings, and that's about it.
And just your you know, you still have your daily chores, you know, your cooking and your cleaning and your laundry and your maintenance on your home and your repairs on your home, and so there's still all of that, you know, that doesn't allow for you just to be on a 24/7, 365 vacation.
Yeah.
It's just not it. I mean, this is our home. So just like you in a sticks and bricks home, if you are, or if you're aspiring to be in this RV lifestyle, just, you know, we did hear a lot of it, a lot of first year did the same thing we did. Everybody's go, 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 go. Let's go here, let's go there, let's go here, because we can. But then you can't keep up that pace or the fight.
The reality settles in, and you're like, wait a minute. We're not on vacation.
Yeah,
we're
we have
actually
to stop
living
thinking that way.
We're living day to day, and we have to act like that. And you know, we still have our little fun and things like that. But now, again, because it's part of our everyday life, when we do go out to eat, or when we do go to see an attraction someplace, it's a treat. It's a real treat.
If we're going to be in an area where it's something very exclusive that we probably won't get back to, of course we're going to make an effort to go there.
Yeah.
But it's not like we're traveling on purpose to go to all these spots. You know, eventually we do want to travel a little bit further than we have. You know, life happened and we had a big major repair, just like if you had a big major repair on your home, and you know your roof collapsed or something and you had to spend buku bucks to repair it, you wouldn't be going on any vacations now, would you? So,
and with the way that we're living right now, we try to stay put at least a month if we're paying for an RV park. Otherwise, we try to boondock as much as possible just to save money. And plus, we've really, really learned to love the boondocking lifestyle. I like getting out and being away from humanity. Not that we don't love you.
Or even staying in a place for a month, you get a better rate.
You do.
So it's more financially, you know, better, and you're not spending a lot of gas on traveling. You know, that was a big expense too. I mean, it still is the diesel for the truck. That's a huge expense. So the more that you drive and travel, the higher that expense on your budget goes. So another thing is adventurers versus homebodies. When I've told people that a full-time RV, they think, oh, I could not do that. I am a homebody. I want to be home. And it's like, that's us. We're homebodies. We take our home with us everywhere we go. We're so much homebodies.
We sleep in our own bed. We sleep with our own pillows.
Yep.
We watch our own TV. We eat off our own plates, cook in our own pots and pans. You know, I mean, it's just, that's what it is.
Yeah. So you don't have to be an adventurer to want to do the RV full-time lifestyle.
Yeah.
Full-time RV lifestyle, however you want to phrase it.
You can be a homebody and do this lifestyle and truly enjoy this lifestyle.
And there is comfort, even if, you know, we go on adventures or something, it's comforting to just have your home with you. You know, when we travel from place to place, it's nice to be able to pull over in a rest area and have your own bathroom. Or be able to fix your own lunch.
Yeah.
And not have to spend the money on, you
fast
know,
food.
stopping at a fast food joint or whatever.
Makes a big difference.
Yeah.
It's a healthier lifestyle. No stress.
Well, there's
most
that
of the
too.
time. Woof. No stress.
Less stress.
Less stress.
Less
Woof.
stress. You can, you know, fix your own meals. What was the other thing I was just gonna think of? Oh well. You get more exercise too, because a lot of times you do a lot more walking around.
You are outdoors a lot more than if you were in a sticks and bricks most of the time.
If you're in areas where you can be, I mean, we planned on being outside a lot this past winter. However, the weather wasn't very cooperative in the Southwest.
It wasn't cooperative anywhere in the country. It was a crazy winter. It was a very wet and cold winter, which is what we've needed, especially out west, and we're thankful for it. But boy, are we ready for some springtime and 75s. Love the 75s.
That's getting a little warmer.
Oh boy.
I know people are ready to shoot me, huh?
So that's what we thought the difference between the full-time RV lifestyle and living in a sticks and bricks, vacation versus daily real life, is all about. That's just our take on it. What's your take?
So how many of you full-time RVers feel the same way, that maybe your first year you went out exploring and visiting and seeing the sights and attractions and found out, wow, that's pretty expensive and pretty draining on yourself and your rig too. You know, all that stop and go, and I don't know, it just, to me it seems like it's a lot of wear and tear because you're setting up, tearing down, setting up, tearing down. It's nice to...
Hey, you get good at it.
You do. You know, for the first year, that was a great learning experience for us because we were setting up and tearing down so frequently. We got good at it.
It's all part of the adventure.
And realized what we needed to have with us and what we didn't.
Yeah. You're always downsizing.
Yeah.
So, but that's part of it. Again, vacation versus daily real life. That's our take on it. Let us know in the comments below. You agree, you disagree, or add your comments below on what you think it is.
Add some more tips to it or some more thoughts.
We'd like to see yours.
How you feel about that. So, as always, thank you so much for watching and for subscribing to us. Welcome to all of our new subscribers. And thank you for hitting that thumbs up. We really do appreciate it, and it does help us for free. It doesn't cost you anything to do that.
That's right. Oh, by the way, only a couple days left to get our t-shirts at bonfire.com/Tom and Lori RV Life t-shirts. You go there, I'll put a link below. You only have until the 22nd of this month.
March 22nd.
March 22nd.
2019. So in case you're watching this video at a later date.
That's true.
This, our t-shirt campaign
a little misspecific.
Is here in March of 2019. Well,
get them now. Go click. Go get those t-shirts.
Yes.
Thank you guys for watching.
We appreciate it.
We appreciate it.
See ya.